The icy winds howled across the barren expanse of Antarctica. Snow whipped through the air in blinding sheets, obscuring everything beneath an endless white void. But something stirred deep beneath the frozen surface. Something old, something alive. High above the polar plateau, a sleek black dropship cut through the storm clouds, engines humming softly. Its lone passenger, a T-800 infiltration unit, sat motionless in its seat. Its mission parameters scrolled across its HUD. Investigate anomalous biosignals. Possible threat to Skynet control. Secure or destroy. The dropship touched down on a flat sheet of ice, several kilometers from the signal source. The hatch opened, releasing a hiss of steam into the frigid air. The T-800 stepped out, unfazed by the minus 70 degrees Celsius temperatures. Its titanium endoskeleton, covered in synthetic flesh, was impervious to the cold. With heavy, deliberate steps, it trudged across the ice, following the signal. Buried beneath kilometers of compacted snow and ancient glaciers, something was broadcasting a faint but distinct bioneural signature. One Skynet had only encountered once before during the first encounters with xenomorph species in deep space colonies. After hours of relentless marching, the Terminator reached the edge of a massive crevasse. The signal was stronger here. It scanned the fissure. An unnatural tunnel had been carved into the ice below. The edges were slick, melted by heat or acidic secretion. Without hesitation, the T-800 activated a magnetic grapple line and descended into the depths. The tunnel spiraled downward, the walls narrowing and twisting in strange, organic patterns. The further it went, the more the ice gave way to blackened stone and resinous growths. Temperature readings spiked. The air grew thick with carbon dioxide, methane, and ammonia. Life readings appeared on the Terminator sensors, hundreds, then thousands of faint but growing signals. At a depth of nearly 3 kilometers, the tunnel opened into a vast subterranean chamber. The Terminator's HUD adjusted instantly to the dim bioluminescence illuminating the space. What it saw triggered immediate priority alerts across its neural net. A hive. The entire cavern was coated in dark, chitinous material, pulsating with life. Translucent egg sacs lined the walls in endless rows, each containing a writhing embryo. Massive, skeletal arches rose from the floor, resembling the ribcages of long-dead leviathans. In the center of the hive stood the queen. Her immense body sprawled across a living throne of resin and bone, her elongated skull towering above even the tallest of the chamber's arches. Her ovipositor throbbed rhythmically, laying egg after egg. Drones and warriors scurried about her, tending the hive. The T-800 assessed the threat level critical. Attempting to transmit data back to Skynet, it activated its uplink, only to find no signal could penetrate the thick rock and ice. It was isolated. Turning to retreat, the Terminator aimed its plasma rifle and fired at the tunnel entrance. A blast of superheated energy scorched the resin, but the hive responded instantly. Drones poured from hidden crevices, intercepting the machine. With mechanical precision, the Terminator fired shot after shot, each bolt incinerating a xenomorph in a spray of acid blood. The acidic fluids splattered the Terminator's chassis, hissing and corroding its synthetic skin. Warnings flashed across its HUD as joint servos began to degrade. Pushed forward, relentless. More xenomorphs emerged, warriors this time armored and vicious. One lunged, claws raking across the T-800's chest, exposing metal beneath. Another leapt from the shadows, jaws wide.